Type www.learnhomeo.com in your browser's address bar and press enter. On the upper menu bar, locate and click on the login option. If you already have an account, proceed to log in with your credentials. Or if you are a new user, locate and click on the register option. After clicking on the registration link, you will be redirected to the registration form. Carefully fill in all the required information and click register. Once the registration is complete, you will be redirected to the dashboard. Look for the course option on the upper menu and click on it. Now browse through the available courses and choose the one you want to buy. Find the Add to Cart option. Click on it to add the selected course to your cart. Navigate to the upper menu and click on the shopping cart icon. This will take you to your cart, where you can review the selected course. On the cart page, review your selected course and click on the option to proceed to pay. This will take you to the payment gateway where you can choose your preferred payment method. Follow the instructions on the payment gateway to complete the payment for the chosen course. Ensure that you provide accurate payment details. After successful payment, you will receive a confirmation and you should have access to the course. You can now start your learning journey on www.learnhomeo.com.